Do you wear and love wigs? Would you love to have your own wig business, but you just don't have the time or know where to start? If this is you, then you are in the right place. I am taking this channel in a new direction, one that is all about you. I will show you how you can start a wig business even if you don't have the time or resources. I know what it's like to feel hopeless and stuck. I want to help you not to stay there. I am Margaret Dakuni, founder of Blessedluv, and for over 20 years, I have been in the hair industry, specializing in wigs and raw hair. One of my biggest regrets is I wish I had someone with a successful hair business to guide me when I started out. This would have made a huge difference and saved me so much time making the mistakes that I made. I was young. Remember, this is over 20 years ago when nobody was even doing lace wigs or even knew what it was. And I had no idea how challenging but yet so rewarding the journey would be. Now I help women just like you start their own wig business, and I watch them transform their lives in ways they never imagined. The good news is you don't have to do this alone. I am here to guide you every step of the way, just like I wish someone did it for me. I will be sharing business tips and secrets and also take you along on my trips to hair factories. It's going to be so much fun. I'm so excited, as you can see. Every week, you will enjoy anything from how to source your wigs, how to market, how to grow your customer base, to build your confidence. Now for the really exciting part. You will learn my best kept secret of how you can start your wig business with only. This isn't just about selling wigs. It's about rising in faith, reign in wealth to build God's kingdom. Nothing is more important than that. Just imagine being able to give your family a life without stress, taking holidays, giving to those in need, and building a legacy for your children. What is better than that? This is what I want for you. If this resonates with you, subscribe and I will teach you how to achieve this and a lot more. Come on, let's go.